Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to do the open swing top card. Let me show you how it works. So this is the front, and then when you open the top, it swings open to the left and it has a little message there. Such a sweet and simple little card to make. And plus, I'm so excited that we have our brads back. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and make this card with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's start with the measurements. You're going to need a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I'm using 2 pieces. You'll need them both cut at 3 by 4 1/4. And I'm using the basic black and then the Broadway Bound designer paper in the black and gold. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so let's go ahead and do some die cutting first. So I'm using the Broadway Lights Framelits, and this is what this looks like. We're going to cut out the wish. And this is also available in a bundle, and this is the Broadway Birthday stamp set. When you buy these together, you'll save 10%. So let's go ahead and grab our big shot. Okay, so we're going to use the wish with the gold foil sheet. So let me go ahead and cut this out. One thing you'll notice when you cut this out, it's going to cut the W and then the ISH separately. So there's the W. And then here's the rest of the word, the wish. And then also the little dot gets cut separately. So let me pop that out. There you go. All right, so let's go ahead and move the big shot. Okay, so let's take our pieces. We're going to take the Whisper White piece and the Broadway Bound designer paper. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back. Okay, so when your designer paper is on the front, you'll notice that I put the dimensionals only up to this point right here, because when the basic black piece is going to slide behind that just a little bit. So I just want to be able to have some room in there for that to tuck in there. So we're going to take the designer paper, we're going to line this up at the bottom, the card. Just like that. And then see, this is where the basic black piece comes in, and so you can see that that slides right behind there really nicely. Okay, so let me line that up. I'm going to grab our Stampin' Pierce mat and my paper piercing tool. We're going to make a little hole right here. So I'm just going to punch a hole right on the left hand side. And then these are the new brads. I'm going to be using the metallic ones, and these are so beautiful. So they come in the silver, the copper, the rose gold, and the gold. So on my card here, and this one I used the smaller brad, but there's 2 different sizes, so we're going to use the larger one for this one today. So I'm going to take the larger brad. I'm going to move my paper piercing tool and slide that brad right into that hole. And open it up in the back. Isn't that cute? All right, so then you can see how this is going to open up here. So you're going to open that up, and it's going to reveal your message in there. Cute. All right, so now let's go ahead and put our wish under the front. I also wanted to show you the basic brads that are available in the annual catalog as well. These are Whisper White, Night of Navy, Calypso Coral, and the Mint Macaron. Aren't those pretty? So 2 sets are currently available in the annual catalog. So excited. All right, so now we're going to take our mini dimensionals, and I'm actually going to cut some of these in half because I want to put the wish up on dimensionals. Okay, so let's take our W, put that on the top, and then the ISH right there. Then we're going to take a rhinestone, we're going to make it the dot for the I. So cute. All right, now we're going to go ahead and flip this open, and we're going to stamp our greeting on the inside. And I'm using It's Your Birthday, Let's Celebrate You, and that's from the Broadway Birthday stamp set. And they're actually 2 separate greetings. I just put them together to stamp it one time. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Now we made this card in the glitter pit yesterday, and I did change one thing. So if you want to check that video out and also that card, you can check out on my blog, and I have the link listed below. So let me show you the other one. So here's the other one. Isn't it adorable? Such a simple card. All right, and then you can also sign the back if you wanted a place to sign. Okay, so that's it. That's how you make that open swing top card. I have all the items listed below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.